Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today, I'm actually in one of our driver cages. This is where the drivers come in to pick up their loads, and we contain them within this cage so that they're not walking on our active shipping dock. But what I really want to show you is this service window. Right now it's in the closed position. I can lift up this service window. Now I can see you much better. It has a sash balance on it, as you can see up here, the sash balance. Back in the early days, you would just slide it up, and when you let go, it'd come back down and smash your fingers. But we've taken care of that because it's all about safety. So the people come up, they've got all the truck bills here. This is where they sign all the truck bills. But it might be that you need a service window in your facility, and it might be used for one of the tool cribs where it's a parts area and you've got someone that hands out parts to the different people in your facility. So it can be a window for a trucker's cage, it can be a parts service counter, and we can make them all different sizes if you've got large items that need to come inside and out of a large cage. So we can help you with any type that you want. So that's what we have this week, talking about our service windows. We'll see you on another episode of Mondays with Milt.